Hello guys, this is a quick video in which I teach you how to make a satisfying jump pad on Roblox Studio Easy, and I'll leave the code in the description. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. That will help me a lot. I'll upload more systems like this one. Before we start, place a part and put a script inside. Copy and paste the code and test the jump pad. I made a variable for our part by calling the script.Parent, which is the part after I made another variable, which is the delay between the jumps, by getting the current time int, a variable for TweenService. Then, when our part is touched, we want to run a function that detects if a player has touched the part by getting the hit.Parent and checking if it has a humanoid, and if the time between jumps has passed a 0.5 delay. Then, we set a new time to the time between jumps. We also increase the jump power of our humanoid and make him jump. After that, we create an animation for our part to make it look satisfying by changing the size, color, and transparency like we learned in the previous lesson. We make a variable for our tween and we give it the information that our animation needs. After, we play our tween and wait for it to complete. Then we bring back the jump power to its normal value. Thanks for watching. Just copy the script.